Today, I'm going to show you the 4 hair products you must have to fight hair loss. Each product is scientifically backed, can be applied at home, and won't break the bank. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to defeat hair loss once and for all. Starting with number 1. Promote more hair growth with the right topical solution. A topical solution refers to a liquid, gel, cream, or ointment that is applied directly to your hair. For example, minoxidil, which is commonly used to promote hair growth, comes in the form of a topical solution. Once you apply it directly to the scalp, it's absorbed through the skin and it exerts its effects on the hair follicles. Several studies have demonstrated the effectiveness of minoxidil on hair growth. A specific study in Germany evaluated the effectiveness of a 5% minoxidil topical solution in halting hair loss and stimulating new hair growth. The study found that the 5% solution was rated as very effective in 15.9% of the patients and just effective in 47.8% of the patients. So here's how you can do this yourself. I want you to buy a 5% minoxidil solution. Use the dropper or applicator that comes with the minoxidil and apply the recommended amount, and this is usually around 1 milliliter. Apply the minoxidil directly to the areas of the scalp where you are experiencing hair thinning or hair loss, and try to distribute it evenly and avoid getting it on other parts of your face or body. After applying the solution, gently massage it into your scalp using your fingertips. This helps to spread the minoxidil and ensures that it is absorbed. Let the minoxidil dry completely before styling your hair or going to bed, and this will usually take about 2 to 4 hours. And you're going to want to do this twice a day. And if you do this twice a day for at least 3 months, you'll start to see very noticeable results. And that leads me to product number 2. You need to block DHT by taking the proper oral prescription. Not all oral prescriptions are created equally. Some are much more effective at treating male pattern baldness than others. A study in Japan found that oral finasteride was effective in 22 out of 37 patients overall. Finasteride is a very common prescription medication that's used primarily to treat male pattern baldness. And the way it does this is by preventing the conversion of testosterone to DHT. DHT is believed to contribute to hair follicle shrinkage and hair loss in genetically predisposed individuals. By reducing DHT levels, finasteride can slow down hair thinning and in some cases promote hair regrowth. So to optimize hair regrowth, you'll want to take a dose of 1 milligram of finasteride per day. Results from finasteride may take several months to become noticeable, but just like with minoxidil, the more you use it, the more noticeable the results will be. Just by incorporating minoxidil as a topical solution and taking finasteride as an oral prescription, you're already ahead of most men when it comes to fighting hair loss. But don't stop there, because it only gets better from here. Number 3, swap out your current shampoo with one that'll help you reduce the chance of hair loss. A study published on PubMed in 2023 investigated the long-term use of ketoconazole, and the results showed that the use of 2% ketoconazole shampoo improved hair density, size, and proportion of anagen follicles. And it showed that ketoconazole may help reduce inflammation that can contribute to hair loss. But more importantly, the shampoo you're using now probably isn't good for your hair. And here are the 3 reasons why. First is most shampoos contain really harmful ingredients. These are things like detergents, sulfates, and other chemicals that can strip the hair of its natural oils. And these chemicals can potentially form carcinogens that may lead to kidney damage and even hormone disruption. Reason number 2 is most shampoos contain preservatives that cause irritation to the scalp. And an irritated scalp may lead to inflammation, and in some cases, hair loss. And reason number 3 is many regular shampoos contain something called silicones, which are made to add shine and smoothness to your hair, which is all great, but this can actually lead to buildup over time. And when there's buildup, this can make your hair look limp and dull. And silicones can actually create a barrier that prevents moisture from reaching the hair shaft that can eventually cause dryness and breakage. So if you don't want to switch to a ketoconazole shampoo, that's okay, but I would at least try to switch to a shampoo that is more natural and has less chemicals. Number 4, Double your hair's strength by taking a certain B vitamin. Most men will take their daily multivitamin, but skip out on the one key vitamin that will help out with their hair. Or even worse, some guys don't even take any sort of vitamin or supplementation. But the guy with super strong and healthy hair knows that he has to do both to maintain that hair. And one of those supplements that guy takes is biotin. Biotin is associated with promoting healthy skin, hair, and nails. The recommended daily intake of biotin for adults is typically around 30 to 100 micrograms per day. And some people can achieve this through a balanced diet that has a lot of eggs, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and vegetables. But if not, biotin is a super easy supplement to take, especially the biotin infused gummies that taste amazing. And that's it. If you implement these 4 products, you will have the hair of your dreams. And not to mention, all from the comfort of your own home. If you guys want to continue to level up your hair, I will leave you guys 2 videos right here, and I'll see y'all in the next one.